Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to do box braids that are completely painless. If you've ever struggled with tight braids that give you headache or cause hair breakage, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I will cover how to position your hands while braiding to avoid tension. Key things to consider while braiding for a painless, pain-free experience. How to arrange your braiding hair before starting for a seamless process. Tips for a long-lasting healthy braids that won't damage your hair. Now, the first step is parting your hair into even sections. This helps your braid last longer and prevents unnecessary pulling. You can use any comb of your choice, but I prefer to use a rat tail comb or this my brush tip that I'm using in the video. Apply edge control or gel to define the sections. Keep sections medium-sized. Smaller braids can cause more tension on the scalp. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more hair tutorials every week. Comment below if you've ever had painful braids and let me know your experience. Now, this is the most important part: how you hold your hands while braiding. If you grip too tight, it causes pain and breakage. Here is how to avoid that. Keep a light grip, but don't pull the hair. Braid in a natural direction of hair growth to reduce tension. Position your fingers lower on the braid instead of pulling from the scalp. Pro tip: if you're braiding someone else's hair, always ask if they are feeling pain. Braiding should never hurt.
Be the rock you lean on, with you by my side. Baby, when we fall, together we'll rise. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. 'Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise. So pick up the pieces, so pick up the pieces, so pick up the pieces, so pick up the pieces. Show me you need it tonight.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way.
Once your hands are in the right position, start braiding slowly and gently. You can manually divide the hair into 3 portions before starting the braids. Or if you are a pro already, you can take in the braiding hair and divide the hair while you're trying to fix in the hair. Don't know if that makes sense. So you divide it into 3 portions. Dividing it that way helps the hair to stay in its right place and it doesn't pull it. If you try to grip everything at once, the hair at once, it causes a kind of tension that hurts the scalp because the hair has gone to the wrong places. A bonus tip is if you're making a natural hair or you don't want the hair to show on the extension, how to tuck in the hair. As you can see in the braiding process, you turn the hair under the extension while braiding. You don't just braid straight, you turn it under the extension while braiding and it forms very clean, demure look. So now take a proper look at the video and watch how I arrange my extension before using it. So that's the way to go about it. That way it will give you a very straight braid. Some people just divide in between their hands, but I don't. That pattern, it's not reliable because it will give you a straight braid like this. If you can see the braids are very straight because the hairs are even. That's the extension hair are even. That's why the braids are very straight. So this is the way to go about it.
you've been searching, silencing your mind, trying to be patient but running out of time. No way I'd let you say goodbye. No way I'd let you say goodbye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand everything that let us hear the teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you say goodbye. No way I'd let you say goodbye. Can we watch it fade away? Can we let it fade away? We'll take it day by day.
I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground.
Now let's seal and set the braids for a long-lasting style. Where I'm trimming it now, trimming off all the extra excess hairs on it. Then after be putting it into hot water to seal the ends so it doesn't look rough and it doesn't unravel. Then from there we use apply mousse to smooth out any frizz that is left out. Then we'll use scalp oil or leave-in conditioner to keep your hair hydrated. So that's a tip to keep it long lasting. Finally, and there you have it, painless lightweight box braid that protects your hair without causing tension. If you love this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more hair tips. Let me know in the comments what's your biggest struggle when getting braids. I'd love to help. Now, see you in my next video. Bye.
Baby, I'ma be there through the rough parts of it all. Holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want.